Hey everybody, welcome back. Dan the Vintage RV'er here. Although, you know, like I said, I'm working on some other little hobbies. But today, because it is nice and sunny outside, we're going to fix that RV skylight that flew off on the, I think it was the throughway on the way back from M25, Michigan 25. Had a good time there, saw Lance, Sonia, the RV DJ. Time for exploring many others. Captain Scrapper, saw him too. Tons of people. So I had a fun time there. You see the video on it. And today we're going to replace that skylight because the fan on it's busted. And obviously the cover flew off. I've got a small, I think either an oil change bucket or a kitty litter pan duct taped down to the roof. So gonna replace that, wiring a new fan, so stay tuned. Here we go. All right, we're outside, gotta climb the ladder. The sun is out, beautiful sunny day. There's a shameless plug right there. Oh, I don't wanna step on, no, we don't wanna step on that, do we? Let's get that out of the way. And let's climb. Wish there was an easier way, but oh well. There we go, there's the litter box. You can see the sun is not quite shining on the entire roof, but you see I painted those other skylights darker. And I've got to check some seals here. Somebody really did a gob job around the dome for the shower, so we're gonna see if we can clean some of that up. I got some Dicor and other stuff, and I'm gonna see if I can delete that antenna because we just don't use it. And we use either, you know, the chrome cast or whatever. And I can see there's like already little bits of stuff here. You can see my, it's almost time for a new awning. But for now, let's get this skylight taken care of. Duct tape held on amazingly well, considered. Ooh, it really stuck to the roof. I have to probably do something about that. Get some oops or something. It's not, well, as long as it's not damaged. Ooh, yeah, litter pan. There it is. So that's gonna go bye-bye off the edge. And this is what's left of the fan that exploded here. So we got the two contacts here. So I'm gonna remove those since it doesn't work anyways. And we gotta figure out how this is attached. It's really hard to tell because it looks like I should have brought a putty knife up here with me. Alright. Ooh, that's really crumbly. Look at that. There's a little leaf there. Sharp. Woo-wee. Well, one heat gun later and one dull chisel. That thing wasn't even touching it. It's all the Dicor and silicone. And, oh man, silicone's tough. So there's all the junk in the skylight. And there we go. You can see right down into the bathroom now. Hello, potty. Yeah. This looks to be in decently good shape, so we'll get this cleaned up. I did scuff it here, so I gotta put some sealer on that right there. And there it is, and I thought I had white Dicor, but apparently that's tan. So, oh well, it's on the roof. Just gonna have to deal with it. Somebody had the same idea before. I normally don't take pictures inside my bathroom, but here's the RV bathroom, and there's this inside of the skylight. You can see where I spray painted And obviously it looks black on the outside, and it's got this little dapple thing going on, which is okay, but it keeps most of the light out. And so we got the fan. I got to hook this up to the existing wiring, which I think I'm going to shorten because it is, maybe if I can tuck it around, I'll probably tuck it around. But for right now, that's what I'm going to do. I had to get some longer screws, drywall screws, in fact, to go up in there and hit that because the ceiling is a little thicker than the skylight setup. And so we're going to try this out, see what we got. Yay! We have a working skylight. There we go. Got some wiring exposed, but you know, that's not the end of the world. It's fine. Oh, they're all closed.
They haven't made this into a stop sign yet.